So I've come in the door and I can see that there's an alarm ready system here. Off to my right, I see a formal living room space with a nice view to the outside, although they've got temporary shadings on. You can see the floor is dark wood laminates. Let's move on. The foyer area is quite wide space. And then immediately off to your right, you see the entrance to the kitchen and a little landing area. The saying on the wall. I believe everything happens for a reason. People change so you can learn to let go. You believe lies so that you eventually learn to trust no one but yourself. Things go wrong so that you appreciate them when they're right. And sometimes good things fall apart so better things can fall together. Very nice. And you can see the open floor concept to the kitchen with the stainless steel appliances, including the microwaves, gas stove, and a refrigerator, and a dishwasher, and the long cherry wood cabinets, and your standard sink with what looks like a filtered water system here. And this is your view from the kitchen. Oh, the patio has a nice heavy door. Nice covered patio area. Very nice. With a gated backyard. Very nice. Very well kept. Very large space. As you can see, we're having an overcast day here in Houston. Quite chilly, but at least it's not raining. Oh, and you have a little doggy door. Moving quite along, off to the very back of the living room, we have the master suite with a large covered window, master suite. Comes with a garden tub and a shower and double sinks. And a closet, water closet for your toilet. And then a closet space. Nice walk-in, huge size. Moving on, we'll visit the other bedrooms on the other wing of the house. Did you happen to catch the fireplace? Here is your access to put washer and dryer, and then your access to the garage. And you have a nice sized garage here. Your guest bathroom. And then you have a guest bedroom. A small closet. And then we'll go into the second guest bedroom. It's a little bit smaller. And another closet. And that concludes our tour of 407 Wild Bird. Thank you.